Strap in and get ready for the countdown of the top 10 best car alarm systems that can seriously upgrade your ride. These picks blend rock-solid security with smart features, from motion sensors to remote alerts, and they're each worth a closer look. Whether you're protecting a daily driver or a weekend cruiser, this list has options for every budget and garage. Today, I'm going to be going over the best car alarm system that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the CarLock Anti-Theft Car Device. This compact, discreet security and tracking solution is designed to slip behind the dash and stay out of sight, while giving you a constant stream of data about your vehicle's location and status. It uses a 4G LTE connection to send location updates to your smartphone in real time, so you can see exactly where your car is, whether it's parked on a city street, in a garage, or on the curb outside a busy shopping center. Live Map is crisp, with smooth panning, and the app also includes route history, speed analytics, and alerts that can be customized to fit your routine. The device tracks ignition status, doors, and movement, and it also includes a tamper sensor that triggers notifications if someone tries to disconnect or disable the unit. This means you get an alert if the device is unplugged, if a door is opened without the engine running, or if the car is moved while the system is armed. The logs are time-stamped and searchable, allowing quick review after an event, and you can replay a journey to see where you or a thief has traveled. Installation is deliberately designed to be non-destructive. You can tuck the unit away under the dash or behind the glove box, avoiding any drilling or heavy modification, and you can swap it between vehicles if you own more than one car. In addition to location data, you can set up geofences, virtual boundaries that trigger alerts when the car crosses in or out of a defined area, so you know if someone takes the car beyond your chosen radius. Battery status and signal strength are visible in the app, and the system can be paired with smart notifications that arrive as push messages, SMS, or even email, depending on your preferences. The app provides a clean, intuitive dashboard that displays the car's current status at a glance, plus detailed telemetry that helps you understand driving habits and patterns over time. Families and fleets, multiple vehicles can be managed from a single account with shared access for trusted drivers. The real strength here is reliability and convenience. You have a single, proven package that delivers consistent, timely data and a straightforward way to respond to events, without requiring complex installation or expensive hardware upgrades. CarLock Suite also supports optional features like engine status alerts, which can tell you when the engine starts or stops as part of routine daily use. Paired to the Chadwick Cummins 8131, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the CarLock Anti-Theft Car Device offers more frequent location updates and a more polished mobile experience, along with a broader history view that makes it easier to reconstruct a car's movements across days or weeks. At number 4, we have the Chadwick Cummins 8131. This versatile aftermarket alarm module is designed around protection, sensitivity, and a non-destructive installation approach that appeals to drivers who want strong security without heavy hardware changes. The core idea is simple. A robust shock sensor with adjustable thresholds lets you tune the system to your environment, so a bump in the street or passing truck won't trigger the alarm unless it's truly meaningful. Installation philosophy is non-destructive, meaning professional installers or confident DIY enthusiasts can mount the main module behind the dash, splice into the vehicle's existing wiring harness, and connect door, hood, and trunk sensors without drilling or cutting into critical panels. Once armed, the system activates a loud siren cavity and a bright indicator light, while also transmitting basic alert data to the connected receiver or head-end unit. You can arm and disarm using a dedicated remote or a hidden switch, and some configurations support a panic feature that triggers an immediate alarm if you sense danger. The envelope of features includes tamper detection, door sensors, hood sensors, and trunk sensors, all of which contribute to a layered defense against theft. The unit is designed to be adaptable across many vehicle platforms, with compatibility information and wire diagrams that technicians can reference during installation. From a user perspective, you'll appreciate the crisp audible feedback from the siren, the confidence of a stable mount, and the sense that a discreet anti-theft system is actively watching your property. Panel's wiring is clean, and the connectors are color-coded to reduce guesswork, which helps keep installation time reasonable. Paired to the Compustar CS79 which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Chadwick CW-8131 emphasizes non-destructive installation and a tunable sensor array rather than a premium, long-range remote interface. And for some buyers, that trade-off is exactly what they want when installing into an older or sensitive vehicle. At number 3, we have the Compustar CS79. This two-way remote bundle is built for drivers who want the security of a proven alarm plus the convenience of a remote start system, all wrapped in a package that supports two-way communication. Two-way remote provides real-time status updates when the alarm is armed, when doors are opened, or when the engine is started. And the long-range signal makes it practical for parking in larger lots where you can't be right next to the car. Remote start is a central feature here, allowing you to start the engine from a distance so the cabin warms up or cools down before you reach the vehicle, which adds comfort and helps in car care. The system integrates a litany of safety, including shock and impact sensing to detect break-ins, door triggers to alert you when entry happens, and bypassable valet modes to protect the system during service. Installation typically uses a dedicated control module, a handful of wiring harnesses, and one or more remotes. Depending on the kit, you may also receive a bypass module for the ignition so you can avoid issues with vehicles that require a key or fob to operate. From the user's point of view, you'll notice the return of a tactile, satisfying control experience with the two-way remotes, plus the sense that the car is treated to a security upgrade that does not rely solely on a smartphone app. Paired to the CarLock Real-Time 4G Car Tracker, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Compustar CS790 prioritizes hardware-driven protection and remote control over cloud-based location tracking, which makes it an attractive choice for people who want immediate, tactile reassurance when they hear this. At number 2, we have the CarLock Real-Time 4G Car Tracker. This real-time tracker combines 4G LTE connectivity with precise GPS positioning, delivering a steady stream of data to a companion mobile app that you can customize to your needs. Real-time aspect means updates can arrive every few seconds when the car is moving and at longer intervals when it's idle, so you are never out of the loop. Geofencing is a prominent feature, letting you set safe boundaries and receive alerts if the vehicle crosses them, which is especially useful for vehicles sitting in return-to-home driveways or in public lots. In addition to location, the system monitors engine status and ignition activity, showing you when the car starts, stops, or is idling for long periods. Driving history is captured with timestamps and speed data, enabling you to reconstruct a day's drive or examine a week's worth of trips. Battery health and signal strength are tracked as well, so you can be proactive about maintenance or relocation if you notice a drop in performance. One of the strengths here is versatility. The platform supports multiple vehicles on a single account, so you can switch between cars for a family or small fleet and maintain a consistent user experience. Data plan is an important consideration because you'll need a current subscription to keep the 4G connection active and to unlock the full set of features, including push alerts and map-based tracking. Paired to the CarLock anti-theft car device, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the CarLock Real-Time 4G Car Tracker leans more toward live location and telemetry, whereas the top pick emphasizes an integrated security framework and immediate threat alerts that complement tracking. In practice, most users find the 4G tracker invaluable for everyday monitoring, long journeys, and when you want to verify that a vehicle is indeed where you left it, with a reliable log of movements and events. At number 1, we have the CarLock anti-theft car device. This top-ranked option combines continuous real-time vehicle tracking with proactive security alerts in a single, accessible platform that is designed to minimize risk and maximize peace of mind. Core strength is an always-on connection that pushes location data to your phone in near real time, so you can watch the map update as the car moves, whether you are at home, at work, or halfway across the country. Aside from location, the system monitors ignition status, doors, and movement, and it can inform you immediately if a door is opened with the engine off, if the car is moved without authorization, or if someone tries to tamper with the device itself. Software side is polished. A well-organized dashboard exposes live data, driving history, alerts, and configuration options in a way that is accessible to both beginners and power users. Installation is designed to be straightforward, with options for dash mounting or discrete under-dash placement, usually without drilling or major vehicle modifications. Battery life, signal strength, and data usage are transparent in the app, and you can tailor alert rules to minimize noise while preserving crucial information. The device can be managed alongside other cars in a family or small fleet, enabling shared access and consistent alerts across vehicles. One of the most important advantages is the breadth of notification channels. Push, SMS, and email are all supported, so you can stay informed whether you are near your phone or far away. The platform integrates location data with engine activity, door status, and movement patterns, giving you both a security lens and a practical theft recovery tool. The system also records time-stamped events and supports quick playback of travel history, which makes investigating a suspicious episode much easier. Compared to the CarLock anti-theft car device at number 5 on this list, which is the same product in a different listing instance, the number 1 version benefits from a refreshed software experience. tighter integration across vehicles, and a broader feature set that includes more robust alerting options and a more consistent user interface. Details that many buyers find decisive when choosing a home security and telematics solution for their vehicle.